Hi guys, today is Monday. Meron tayo dito mga open positions and discuss natin to mamaya why I contested majority of this position is short, pero for now laruin muna natin itong taken. Yan, second done na. Alright, so laro muna tayo dito guys. Raven promotion match. Let's go Raven. Mahirap na malaban mo guys. Nice one. Enga. Woo! Basic. Talo pa tao guys. Nice one. Talo na to guys. Uy, palalo na sa trade. Palalo pa dito. Enga. Alright guys, discuss natin tong ating positions dito. Ayan, pero bago tayo dito guys magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys. Okay guys, punta tayo dito. Meron akong position na... So, nag-blur pa, wait lang. Ayan, meron tayo ditong positions. Like for this one, 70 USDT. Kay Solana. Today is Monday guys, no? So we just anticipate a potential retracement. Tapos kung mapapansin nyo for the past couple of days dito sa ating YouTube channel, puro tayo shorting, no? We can observe kasi ng volume sa daily, especially for the BTC guys, no? Like let's check siguro dito BTC, and we can observe ng BTC volume. Punta tayo sa daily na pa-decline guys, no? And historically guys, medyo challenging kasi yung December, no? Pag pasok ng December, majority ng mga market makers ay naka-off, naka-vacation. So yung mga nagtitrade dito, maybe algorithm bots, no? So yun yung isa sa mga napansin natin for the past couple of years sa pagtitrade dito sa crypto market. Meron din pala tayong trades dito. Ayan. Ito naman, meron tayong profits na 140 USDT. And bumagsak siya. Hindi ito demo guys ha. Alit na naman balance natin, 137. But anyways guys, punta muna tayo dito sa official crypto trading app na gamit natin. Yung official link na ito guys, lalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito. We are trading. Dito na ako actually nakapag-entry sa area na to. Kasi, ano ba nangyari? VWAP play. Ayan, hinabol ko na lang guys, as you can see. Tumama yung price action, tapos na-reject, no? So, yung mga gantong scenario pag shorting play ka, usually VWAP, tapos check mo na lang din yung price action as well as yung volume, ano yung behavior. And ito nakita natin, we can see some live retracement guys, no? Ayan. So meron tayo ditong profits kahit papano. This is more or less 12k something, kasama yung naka-open trade natin sa kabila. More or less around 18k yung profits natin today, no? Pabagsak yung market to get some profits dito. Ayan. So ayan, na-reject dun sa VWAP. Isa sa mga dinidiscuss ko to guys during live na sa ating YouTube channel, how I use VWAP play, especially pag mga ganito yung scenario ng market guys. Yun, isa sa mga strategy ko din dito guys, I'm a contrarian trader and you should think different sa market. And once na ma-reject yung BTC kasi guys, can follow yung like Solana. We have Solana play dito, short Solana, we have profits, so. Pero syempre, meron tayong negative guys, na hindi naman pwede na puro positive. Again guys, yung trading is very risky if you don't understand, wala kang experience, and hindi pa masyadong nare-refine yung psychology mo. Huwag nyo lang madaliin yung learning curve ninyo. Spot trading is good actually if you are doing crypto. But then guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, no? For reference. And does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights dito and ideas guys, no? Sa mga nagtatanong ano yung ginagawa ko, and I give some insights using VWAP. Experience guys, sobrang laking factors, no? experience kasi yung magko-convince sa'yo na i-follow mo yung setup mo. Experience din yung mag-mention sa'yo na, oy, ito, during this time or during this like quarter, ganito yung galaw ng market during this month, during this day, during this time, guys, no? So, yun, hope this video helps, guys, no? And meron tayong profits dito kahit papano na almost 200 USDT. That's around 11k. And let's check again yung isa nating open trades dito, wherein this one is plus 68 na. So more or less 20k, guys, profits natin today. And happy holidays, guys, no? Kung meron kayong mga questions, kung app naman or cellphone yung gamit nyo, lalagay ko na lang dito, guys, sa screen. And see you sa video na yan, guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Happy holidays. Peace out. Bye for now.